Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Fairfield Inn & Suites Homestead, Florida City. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Florida City, a 13-minute walk from Florida Keys factory shops, Fairfield Inn & Suites Homestead, Florida City has accommodations with free bikes, private parking, an outdoor swimming pool and a fitness center. This 3-star hotel offers a shared lounge, a 24-hour front desk and free Wi-Fi. The hotel has family rooms. The hotel has a sun terrace. A business center and vending machines with snacks and drinks are available on site at Fairfield Inn & Suites Homestead, Florida City. Everglades Alligator Farm is 4.5 miles from the accommodation, while Homestead Miami Speedway is 5.4 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Miami International Airport, 30 miles from Fairfield Inn & Suites Homestead, Florida City. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.